Statements by Rainbow. So today you're gonna see me cut my son hair. He's about to go to boot camp, a military school boot camp type thing, and so he can't have no hair. He has locks like me. He just has the top and the side shade, which we haven't touched it in over a month because we already knew that this day was coming, and there was no point of doing it. So he leaves in 2 days. So today we're throwing him a dinner. His family and stuff like that, or our family, his family, stuff like that. So y'all stay tuned now. My wife said she didn't want no parts of cutting his hair. She don't want to be the bad mom. So I gotta do it. So now I'm gonna try to get her. I like my wife. We both cut our kids' hair, but I prefer her more so. So I'm gonna cut the roots. I'm gonna probably rubber band it off, cut the roots and everything, make sure everything's even, and maybe I can get her to finish it off. So thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and of course share. Maybe your kid gotta cut his hair. Maybe he's going into the military. Maybe he don't want to. Our son, he's been a good sport, even though I know he done grew his hair. He done had it for 13 months. So, all right, guys, stay tuned.
When somebody get cancer, they family or partner usually cut their hair with them.
You ain't got cancer.
Still.
I just seen some sisters.
I guess good.
I know.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Shut up. Sound like you doing something else.
No, you in my head.
Oh, but ain't nobody touching them, bro.
I mean, you talking do it over. No, sir. I already knew that was going to happen.
Oh. Ah. That no.
Y'all boys, y'all scared to touch your hair or something.
I was scared to touch. I watched. If it was, I would have. I was touching it when I had a little dread, and I was fixing it up. I like this hairstyle right here.
Huh? Unless someone put it up. I haven't seen it.
What's she looking for?
You probably gotta ask PJ.
What's she looking for? I have to go with this hairstyle right there. This ain't bad.
Yeah.
No, wait. Is this okay?
Don't cut it too low. I had bald spots now. Get the bag.
I look.
We're going to do a
Mongo's still on.
on mine.
She trying to get wherever she can get in it.
You got the nice hair.
That ain't nice until look at that.
So right now, this ain't snaps.
Oh! Oh my hand.
Oh, man.
He's so dramatic. It's horrible.
Ooh. I'm losing some of me. You know how Samson lost his powers?
Mm-hmm. That's what happened to me too, man. I'm telling you. When I caught these dreads, that was it.
I feel like I'm losing some of me. I'm losing some of my soul. See?
You ain't gonna be the same after this.
I hope not.
You gonna lose the good part, small.
No, we want to lose bad.
Oh! Oh, she's going fast with this one. Oh,
Oh, you got the little blonde screens like you, babe. Yep, that's your child.
wait.
I hope so.
Wait, blonde screens on my hair?
Oh, your
Yeah, that's what it be talking about. I have blonde hair.
Look,
your mom do too.
I fell short of one.
She messed up.
Wait, she messed up?
Yeah.
Pull it.
She got you a little booty right here.
I have a rat tail like my Aquarius. I don't think they mind.
Voodoo on these.
Y'all can do voodoo there. I don't gotta go to the military thing.
Cut that little dookie off first.
Little dookie. What is that?
I don't know what that is. See, I
Oh.
let your mom do this part. See, I don't enjoy this part. See, she didn't care about how she cut your hair.
Oh, she cut close. Oh.
I told her she can try to make you have a bald
I
spot.
ain't cutting clothes.
I
That's why
felt
I
that.
yelling because I'm pulling it away.
Oh. See, this is a new style right here. I'm gonna make this the new thing right here.
Damn, did you have red? What happened?
Red and purple.
It was that bootleg.
That's it. It's gone.
Well,
At least you know he washed his hair. Or rinse it at least.
that's the sweat.
I watched. That's the style right there too.
You want to keep that little piece of there?
They don't think they mine.
Oh, and then she got you combing it out.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Oh.
That's gonna be double.
Mama, let me comb it out. Ooh. Let me comb it out, mama. Don't comb it out, mama. You know how mama comb it out.
Okay. I'm glad I don't have no hair that she got to comb out no more.
Look at your brother.
Oh,
No, don't look at me, Asia. Don't look at me.
Who's that, Andy?
You know him.
The old John.
See, she don't care already.
I know, right? She doing that to me
I'm
too,
curious
man.
how it is.
She is dangerous.
Alright, what we're gonna
Do is let me comb.
Oh, you.
That one hurt right there.
I need a big comb.
Ugh. This might hurt. Why you got a big comb? Why you gotta get a...
You need to wide them. I'm more so trying to get at that root.
I'll go to the side. That side fucking work. Oh. Ooh.
You look so funky. I'm so used to you having that hair on. That's alright. You'll be able to do it again, man.
Know about that.
I need to cut that part.
Yeah, I don't think it's not coming out. Oh, that hurt. Mom, I won't done.
Yeah, I bet say he ain't come. You trying to hurt that man. That's what it is. It's when you She's trying to hurt you, man.
This at the back.
What was your nice mama?
This is why she made me do this. So she
Yeah,
can
but
go back to
Oh.
You can have me a part of that.
Mom, I won't done.
That's the size on food and you complain.
I like the drawers cutting off the board here.
What you keep that on for?
That's crazy. Like they could have had my hair in a ponytail and in the hat, like cutting my hair. They doing too much. I seen people in the army that got hair and put in the hat.
Not man, that's so bad.
The man they got hair sometimes. They be having ponytail, put in
Not
behind.
man. No, man in the military cannot wear no.
That's not fit. My hairline gone. My hairline behind my head. Him too. My hairline gone. It's gone. Move that ass. My hairline gone.
Oh, you gotta do something to make that better.
See, look, y'all, the dress is covering a little bit, so y'all ain't seen me. I was messing it up.
Back to that egghead. That's all I know.
Yeah, you got, mama. You cut the side off more than the top. It ain't gonna look like I got an egghead. You hear me, mama? So just cut the sides off a little.
Oh, I ain't cutting your hair. I'm prepping it for your mama.
Now, that ain't gonna
Right, babe? I did to make the hard part that you didn't want to do. Go ahead and let us son go in there. Look at with a little dignity.
You doing that.
Nah, you know.
Finish it off.
I just tuck it down for you.
Now, Yeah, I got to do the arcs and all that.
You can't have no designs on, I'm sure.
Huh?
Look, you ain't got to worry about no designs on that.
Ooh. Well,
You want
you
to
need
fix
to
it? You don't got to worry about it.
Cause you better cut it than me.
Nah. No, man. You know you're doing that move for somebody that already knew about it.
No, I'm serious though. I'm really serious.
Yeah.
That's why you know who he when I said that, he's oh no. Alright, it's ready for you, baby.
Oh, it ain't.
It is. Ooh, look at all this.
Wait, we did not discuss this.
I'm be getting lazy now. Hey, man.
It's a year worth of lots. I'm gonna save for them. Look.
I'm doing stuff.
What you need me to do? You got me slobbing. What do you mean you gonna clean some dishes? Like I ain't never cleaned a dish.
That's crazy.
You feel funny?
Yeah. It's still some knots in here.
My ears on.
You cut my ears a couple times.
Yeah, I got the earrings out too.
Alright.
Now we in the military. I don't know. Some people well, I know this boy that I used to work with. He had them gauges. He had to go get his ears sewn up.
Huh? Some
Close
up.
the holes. Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got big ears?
They weren't big, but.
Like, you saw them hoes in the, when you put that big hole in
Mm-hmm.
Oh, mama gonna get them earrings until you watch out. She thinking about you.
I ain't thinking about it.
I thought about it, but
I
I would get it really small.
earrings.
I get the first. What's the name? I'm not scratching my ears. I think it's cute when he's small. I ain't doing that.
Oh, y'all both thinking about,
What he gonna do with
Then
it?
when y'all take the earrings out, y'all gonna have holes in y'all ears.
I was about to say something. So
Don't say nothing.
we gonna put our fingers in
Yeah,
each
that's
other.
how it's already thinking.
She just say all the wrong stuff.
Yeah, I'm touching each other's ears and stuff. Nasty. Ugh.
Hook them up. Give them the toy special.
What's that?
Just a little white fade, just because if you make the size a little more, it will take a little weight off the pink.
Come on, baby. I done did a real good deal for you.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I done got all that off. Now it's just, cleaning it up.
You said do what? Do what to the peanut?
Just a little light fade off the sides a little bit. Oh, mama already did it. See? She did a little bit.
There you go, baby. Finish.
No, that ain't it.
That's crazy. Now I just need a hairline again. Mom, just get that little black stuff they be putting on stuff and give me a hairline. You know that black stuff?
That hair stuff. It needs some hair fibers on your hairline.
Just make it right there.
Or that black ice.
He like he going right now. Hey, this is doing something. You trying to play me? We did not talk about it. So you doing Dejan hair? Yes.
Nah, you
Yeah,
didn't say am I? You said you told me what I was doing.
I said you're doing Dejan hair.
First, get out. Get out. You being nosy.
Right
Yeah. You gonna see them all day, all long.
You gonna see me.
You don't even know where to get a beanie from.
I got one right there.
Okay.
Oh, what?
Oh, a Scully.
I got a knock. I got a real beanie.
I ain't gonna put that plastic back.
I got a beanie in like that. A regular beanie.
So what else we doing?
Clean it up, fix it up.
So you can't. I told you you can't do much once you have hair and then you try to cut some of the hair. That ain't that much you can do about it. You know that too.
You can fix the
Nah. You just trying to have whatever the result is gonna be on me.
Nah.
I know those tricks. I did those before. So keep it some on top.
That's what he said.
Wait, so they want me bald?
No. You could have had the little curls.
For real?
Ain't no point. Cause who
Well,
knows
so you said she did that.
He ain't gonna be able to get no.
So you see what she did right there?
No. What I cut off the first time, the number 2, that gave you, ain't nothing.
It was a little more than this.
So,
It
what you got on the top, yeah.
That's a number 1, 0. That's a
No,
number 0 right there.
it ain't.
And 2, what's
What's
this?
on the top?
What's on the top? That's a number 0,
right?
right?
All around, but ain't no point. You don't know when.
Maybe like a half.
You don't know when you're gonna get another haircut and look crazy. So you want to make this one good to last, cause you're gonna be gone.
Mama, exactly. Everybody gonna be looking nasty. It don't matter.
Yeah, the ones that had twos. Let's see how they look.
Mama, it don't matter. We going
A month from now.
Ain't like no girls gonna be there.
It is girls there.
But no, with us.
That's alright. I'm sure you'll come across them eventually. Maybe.
You probably gonna find him a girl in the real. He probably gonna write us a letter. I got me a girlfriend. Right there, John. I think you will.
Some girls they gonna kill me.
Oh, you look funny.
See,
Don't say it to the man.
I know. Y'all know how you get a new hairdo.
She's acting for 3, and after she cut it all off.
Y'all know how I am when you get something new.
Nah.
I put a little.
You're looking like the boy right now.
Nah, I ain't looking nothing like that. She put a little flavor on it too. Mama, cut your hair off with me, Mama.
Nah.
Mama, just show me you love me, Mama. Just cut it off.
I'm showing you I love you by sending you to this thing.
just a little bit.
I'm showing you I love you for this dinner today.
Just cut a little bundle off, Mama. A little bundle.
You tell that to whoever you talking to.
I'm talking to you and him too right now.
Girlfriend, little girl.
And so you cut a bundle off for me.
I get my bundle.
I say you should cut one of her braids off for you.
Is you put a bundle on? And she looking like, nah.
Please, Aiden.
You can ask Bean so she can pluck a fur.
Bean come go.
Ooh, I can feel my skull. I'm bald on the side.
He don't get no hair because he leaning over, running from me. I wish you didn't go up that far.
Wow, I ain't know what I was doing.
Didn't know my hairline was
cut it all up.
Didn't know my hairline was going away when you had the dreads. Took that thing all the way out.
You gotta have
Then y'all got this old man head. Got a little wrinkle, little look. What you do to this boy head, girl?
I got wrinkles in too in my back and my neck.
Like you like the hot dog.
Oh.
You know, going to that basketball court getting dinged up.
There's a lot of wrinkles in too.
Nah.
They deep.
Oh,
Well,
you
yeah,
got.
little beef hot dog back
No, that's what I say. You, the man, we had them pack of hot dogs in the back of their head. Like, oh, look nasty. Then the ones that got the bumps, the hair bumps. Yeah, it look nasty.
Wait, nah, I might pull this off when I get my little chin hair when I come back. I might pull this off.
Let me put your razor inside your bag.
I think I'm gonna have a little chin hair by the time I come back.
Where you need razors for?
Huh?
Well, I'm trying to play that.
I'm telling you what. Here when I come back, not when I fully come back. I ain't talking about like no Thanksgiving or on Christmas. I'm talking about when I fully come back. I'm gonna have a chin hair. Watch. I feel it coming in deep.
Shaver, rather.
I'm gonna need it too. Watch.
He said he gonna need it.
I'm just gonna pluck the hair until I don't gotta use that.
They may want to teach you how the proper way how to shave.
With what?
So you won't get hair bumps or something out of it.
See, that's a little better. Thank you.